Teacher Squeaky. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning. What day is it today? Well done, everybody. Today is Thursday. Okay, I'm going to ask you with Squeaky, what day is it today? Can you say Thursday?
Friday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Well done.
Thursday.
Good job. Today?
Today is Thursday.
Well done. Come on, let me through. Hi.
Today,
And what day is it today?
today is Thursday.
Good job. Can you say today is Thursday?
Thursday.
Today is...
It's Thursday.
Okay, well done. Today is
Friday.
Thursday. Can you say today is Thursday?
Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
Thursday. Okay, can you say today is Thursday? Today
Today
is
is
Thursday.
Thursday.
Well done. Louder. Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
Well done. Today
Today
is
is
Thursday.
Thursday.
Well done.
Today is Thursday.
Better.
Today
Is Thursday.
Thursday. It's Friday.
Thursday. Good job. Thursday.
Thursday.
Good job. Well done. What day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
Well done. Good.
Thursday.
Well done. Well done, everybody. Good job. Bye-bye. 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 Bye.